Once again, for your safety, please stand well behind our safety line till the train comes to complete stop. Thank you.
Customers who have just joined us at Freshwater Station, I would like to welcome you on board the historic Kuranda Scenic Railway. Our onboard staff are here to help make your trip as enjoyable as possible. If there is any way they can be of assistance, please do not hesitate to ask until the train has come to a complete stop. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere on the train. By the time we reach Kuranda, we will have travelled through 15 tunnels, over 55 bridges, around 98 curves, and through 153 cuttings. We will soon enter a 180-degree turn called Jungara Loop, which is also known as Horseshoe Bend. This curve was built up above the surrounding terrain to allow trains to build speed for the ascent ahead. For photo enthusiasts, as we go into Jungara Loop from the right-hand side of the train, you will have a great photo opportunity of the front or rear of the train as we make our way around the loop. And during the wet season of 1882, thousands of people came close to starvation. A railway over the mountains was decided the most reliable supply route, and so started one of the most ambitious projects in the history of Australia. The going was tough through this area, and the men were plagued by disease and injury. It is recorded that 32 workers died in accidents during the construction of this railway. It is rumoured that even more men perished from disease, snakebite, and other causes. the men deck the bridge so they won't fall through. Delightful surroundings, good food, and best of all, no speeches. As we leave Stoney Creek Gorge and enter Barron Gorge, you will notice magnificent views towards Cairns and the coast.